Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn English with a story. A simple story, but a very emotional one. In this video, you will listen to a conversation between a husband and a wife. Their names are David and Lisa. This story is about real life. It is about problems, family, and hope. David has a problem. A big problem. One day, he comes home and tells his wife something very serious. After that, everything changes in their life. They begin to worry about money, about food, about the future. But even in difficult times, they try to stay strong, together. So in this video, you will learn new English words, practice listening, understand real conversations, and improve your speaking. Remember, listen carefully, try to understand each sentence, and repeat after the speakers if you can. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. That's okay. Just keep listening. Now, before we start, here is your question. Why is David sad at the beginning of the story? Listen carefully and write your answer in the comments.
Lisa, I need to talk to you.
Of course. What's wrong? You look very worried.
I don't know how to say this.
David, you're scaring me. Please tell me.
Lisa, I lost my job today.
What? How? What happened?
The company closed this morning. They told everyone to leave.
Oh no, this is terrible.
I didn't expect this at all. Everything happened so fast.
Did they give you any warning before?
No, nothing. One moment I was working, and the next moment it was over.
Oh, David, I'm so sorry.
I feel so lost right now. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. We will figure something out together.
But what will we do now? We have bills, rent, and food to think about.
I know, it's scary, but we are not alone.
I feel like I failed you.
No, don't say that. This is not your fault.
I should have been more prepared.
No one could have predicted this.
I just want to take care of my family.
And you are doing that, even now.
I feel weak, like I'm not enough.
David, look at me. You are strong.
It doesn't feel like it.
Strength is not about never falling. It's about getting up again.
I'm afraid. I don't want to lose everything.
We won't lose everything. We still have each other.
You really believe that?
Yes, I believe in you.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
You will find another job. I know you will.
I will try. I won't stop trying.
That's all that matters.
I promise. I won't give up.
And I will be right here with you.
Thank you for staying strong.
We are a team, always.
Yes, always. I went everywhere today. No luck again.
I'm sorry. I know it's hard.
I feel so tired, physically and mentally.
Come sit down. You need rest. Dad, I want to show you something.
What is it, son?
These are my savings. I've been saving for months.
No, I can't take this. This is yours.
I want to help you. Me too, Dad. We are a team.
You are too young to worry about money.
They just want to support you.
I don't deserve this.
Yes, you do. You take care of us every day.
Thank you. I feel stronger now.
You will succeed, Dad. We believe in you.
I will keep trying. I won't stop.
That's the spirit.
Tomorrow will be better. I feel it.
Hello, this is David speaking.
Hello, David. This is Mr. Johnson from the company.
Yes, I've been waiting for your call.
Thank you for your patience. We carefully reviewed your application.
Yes, I've been hoping to hear from you.
We were very impressed with your experience and your attitude.
Really? Thank you. That means a lot to me.
You showed strong determination during the interview,
I truly appreciate that. I gave my best.
and it shows. That's why we made our decision.
I understand.
We are happy to offer you the position.
Are you serious? This is amazing.
Yes. Congratulations, David. You earned it.
Thank you so much. You don't know what this means to me. We are glad to hear that. This opportunity is very important for me and my family. We believe you will be a great addition to our team. I promise I will work hard and do my best every day.
That's exactly what we are looking for.
Thank you again for trusting me.
Can you start next week?
Yes, absolutely. I'm ready to start anytime.
Perfect. We will send you all the details by email.
That sounds great. I will check my email carefully.
If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.
Thank you. I really appreciate this opportunity.
You're welcome, David. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Thank you again.
Have a wonderful day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Thank you. Finally.
I know, it's about the food, right?
I know. It's the fridge is almost empty.
I tried to make something with what we had, but it's not enough.
I'm sorry. I'm still looking for work every day.
I know you were trying. I see your efforts.
But it's not working. No one is hiring me.
It's just a difficult time, not your fault.
I feel like I'm failing you, failing this family.
No, David, don't say that.
I should be able to provide food, to take care of everything.
And you have always done that. This situation is temporary.
It doesn't feel temporary. It feels like everything is falling apart.
Listen to me. We are still here, together. That matters.
I just wish I could do more. I feel useless.
You are not useless. You are trying, and that means everything.
I see you struggling, trying to stay strong for everyone.
I have to be strong. For you, for our family.
I hate seeing you worried like this.
I'm worried, yes, but I still have hope.
Sometimes I lose that hope. I feel tired.
It's okay to feel tired, but don't give up.
I won't give up. I just need a little strength.
Then take my strength. We share everything.
Thank you. I don't know what I would do without you.
You don't have to do this alone.
Tomorrow I will try again. I will go everywhere if I have to.
And I will support you every step.
We will get through this, right?
Yes, we will. Together.
Together. Always.
Tonight feels different, doesn't it?
Yes, everything feels lighter now.
I can feel the peace in this house again.
Me too. It's like a heavy weight is finally gone.
These past weeks were really difficult for us.
Yes, some days felt very long and painful.
I remember the nights we couldn't sleep.
Thinking about bills, food, and the future.
I was worried, but I tried to stay strong.
And you did. You were very strong.
We both were, even when it was hard.
There were moments I almost gave up.
But you didn't. You kept going.
Because of you. You gave me strength.
No, we gave each other strength.
That's true. We never faced this alone.
Even when things looked dark, we stayed together.
And that made all the difference.
Today, I feel proud of us.
Me too. We didn't give up.
We believed, even when it was difficult.
Thank you for believing in me.
That's what love is. That's what family does.
You stood by me through everything.
And I will always stand by you.
This experience changed me. It made me stronger.
Yes, stronger and closer than before.
I understand now what really matters.
It's not just money, it's us.
Exactly. Having each other is everything.
No matter what happens in the future.
We will face it together.
Always.
Always.